Come on. Yeah, open wide. That's it. Good.
Dad brought a baby bird home from work today. It fell off of a roof. It's got a little bit of bleeding, but it's doing this now. It's hungry.
I really like egg for some reason.
It's not egg, it's dog food.
It's egg and dog food. Nathan's right, he saw me making the egg.
What?
Come on, that's what I read. I just read up, yeah.
You must enjoy that.
Come on,
Because we found a bird yesterday at school, so I snuck it home, but it sadly died.
come on. Open.
And it's weird that we found two in a row.
Stop, yeah, we're going all over the place.
He's like a little worm. Oh, look at him, he's doing a little Kermit dance.
You're beautiful, aren't you?
It was a bit cold before too, so now that he's warmed up, he'll be able to digest.
He's beautiful. Like, this is like the...
Oh, this is so hard, but I think I prefer using the tweezers anyway.
Yeah.
Look at his hand moving. Zoom in, look. Oh my god.
Righto, wobbly. Here we go. Yep, come on. Come on, open wide. Open wide.
He lives by many names. My name is Wobbly.
Open wide. Come on.
My name is Phoenix.
Furry
That's
bum.
not my name.
Open wide.
That's not my name. Oh,
That's
you
it.
missed me. That's not my name.
Scooters, actually.
With fuzzy head. Look at his fuzzy head. Beep beep.
To help you find a way forward. What about you? What do you do? I'm banking.
HelloFresh meal kits, you get tried and tested recipes.
Grow some more feathers and you might
Nice
be.
one.
Might be the cutest thing ever.
Will be when he's got feathers.
Yeah.
I think he's cute as he is now. Hey, look at his little eye. How do you not call that cute?
I
So,
almost caught it
there-
with my hand.
BB is now getting little sprouty feathers coming out of his little shoots. His little tail feathers haven't grown that much. He's getting feathers on his...
On his little
Oh, his
head,
wee
his
head.
little back, and he's gonna poo, I think.
And how many days have we had him now? Friday, Saturday, Sunday,
Monday.
Monday. So today's Tuesday.
We've had him
They grow
for,
so quick.
7 days. 7 days, yeah.
had him for not a week, at least
No,
not
it's
a
not a
week,
week.
4 days.
Love this response.
He tries to move so that he can stuff your finger in his mouth.
Hungry. Baby's hungry.
Stop teasing me and feed me, I'm gonna die.
Go get it now. Ready?
Yeah. Ah, you have nothing to fling.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
We clung on to it then.
Exercising your wings.
Oh, he doesn't like that one.
He's looking at jumping off. Turn around. Here we go.
He's Do an angry.
What was that? What was
Angry
I'm
squeak.
overdoing that. It's got hold of my finger. Where you go? Where you go?
Hello. What you doing? In my pocket.
Every time you take notice, we'll donate towards planting native trees for a greener tomorrow. A Novus look here is fast, guaranteed and certified, meaning less waiting, hassle and waste. So come on New Zealand, the World Series has come to an end. World Rugby confirmed New Zealand will not be one of the 7 locations to host a stop on the circuit and refers to their nationwide
sleepy
celebration
bird.
in Omokoroa today. It was an overdrive once again. To see as part of a plan to keep growing the women's game and following on
Tired
from the
little
raging
baby.
success.
Baby birds growing out. It's feeding time at the zoo. Soaked cat biscuits. Can't believe he lived. Do you want some more food? Turn around this way. Birdie's a big sook. He's been outside all morning. And I'm trying to put him back in his nest. And he doesn't want to go back in his nest. He's a big sook. Going back in your nest? No, he's going there. Turn around this way. And sit on my shoulder this way. And then you can come around, look around. Yeah, that's better. See? See? Now we can go for a walk. Yeah, you can see things. See?
Spit.
Hi,
He's looking at me.
baby. Hi. Oh, you're getting your sister.
He's like, this looks yum. Is it gonna go in my mouth for me?
Why don't you do? I was gonna say, why don't you do that to your food that's in your cage?
Because
Oh,
I don't like
who's
the
that?
What are
food.
you doing?
He was just going yum, yum, yum to my sleeve.
Oh, he's giving himself a bath.
Oh, you can pick it because he's learning. Yeah, he's learning.
He's opening his mouth
That's
to
what he was
my
doing.
sleeve.
That's what he was doing yesterday out in the grass too. So he's learning to pick
He's
things.
learning to pick
He just
things.
hasn't picked any food yet.
Yeah, but he will one day. He's learning.
He's kind of doing the opposite of picking. He's putting his face
Yeah.
in it and going, "Can you go in my mouth?" So, oh,
Whoa!
Nick.
His neck stretches so far.
Hi. Look at my leg.
It looks like a worm.
He's trying to hunt for worms just like in the grass.
I gave him some worms yesterday, and he did not try and hunt for some worms.
Maybe
Oh.
he will today. So he's learned to put more.
And the minute I threw the 3 worms onto the grass, it wasn't a very good idea. I should have put them on the concrete because the worms just disappeared into the grass. We should.
What the?
Yeah. Do you want some food?
Sure. He's trying to convince himself to do it. He's like,
No,
It
it
looks
was
like a
a
bald.
prawny. Look, it's wiggling. It's a worm.
Ew, it's alive. My food. I've been eating alive. Come on, yuck.
Oh.
I want to
You want to get back in your nest?
He's trying to fly. He's probably wondering, is there any food on that blue thing? I want to eat it. You sat there going,
It feels so weird, like Like, oh my gosh, it never walks over to me like this. That's so cool. Hi!
Off you go, Nathan.
Yeah. That was incredible. Like, it felt so heavy in my on my hand and on my arm.
He doesn't have such a weird looking beak anymore. Yeah, delicious sleeve.
He really is eating the wrong way. He was doing that yesterday.
God.
He puts his beak down and then it's like, no, go the other way. Are all fledglings that stupid?
It kind of looks like he's trying to vomit on your sleeve, but he's just going, go in my mouth. This is how I've been raised. In my mouth.
How you do it, Mum, is so hilarious.
No, they must all do that, surely, because the mother feeds them.
The mother does come back.
He just picked my bracelet.
Hi. Hi.
He's like Pingu, but I'm having
You can see that one white tuft on that side.
Yeah, he has a little white feather. Oh, look at all the stuff he's putting down. You can see it falling out.
This is how they actually bark themselves. So this bird right here, we had him since he was a little baby. It's crazy.
This is letting go day.
Because what's this? Can I see if you see my finger?
Oh, he likes Nathan. He's not a pit bird.
No. We gotta let him go. Let him go now.
Poop.
But he might not go.
Stop hugging the bird.
Oh.
Want Mama turn?
My baby. He's my baby, aren't you?
Yeah.
He's my baby. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go today. Are you gonna go?
Okay.
No. Can I help with my finger?
Hey, he just bit me.
He bit Mom.
Alright, say bye-bye.
Okay, a photo?
Oh, you want a photo?
It's yummy, yummy.
He's like, I didn't know that there was an exit. Look, BB. Yeah. BB.
No, I'm just gonna try.
Come on, BB. Come on, BB.
Where'd he go? No, he wants floor.
Come here.
I think he has more
Come on, baby.
satisfaction
Come on. Come on.
other than outside right
Yeah. Come here, baby. Come here. Come on.
outside, baby.
Get up the top there. Get on the top of your cage.
You like it? I don't think he wants to leave the safety of his cage. I think he likes it.
He doesn't know any different. He's seen a tree. Oh, a tree. It's a big tree. It's where birds sit.
Don't eat that.
We did eat it.
You're not going to survive if you eat trees.
Oh, it's like somebody's provided me with a dead tree.
I think that's enough.
Yummy tree. Can I eat any of this stuff?
Good baby.
You like the tree?
Baby. Baby's in the tree. Good baby.
Being a
to vacate that tree if you don't want to be eaten by cats.
Stop. Mum, he's gonna die. He's eating tree moss.
Well, you don't know if they do eat that. Mary's eating the tree.
Oh my god! Whoa, whoa!
He's eating everything. He's like, does this taste good? I wonder.
Oh man, it looks like it's actually attacking us.
It's like a version of Grayson if Grayson was mad. Eats everything.
Baby!
I wonder if we leave, will he just follow us inside?
Maybe.
But when?
He's exploring at the moment.
First, contact that side that isn't through bars. He's been flying around, and we've been I've been picking him up while Mum's on the phone, and he just flew onto my head. He came out the cage, flew onto my head, and now he's probably gonna poop. I love this bird. Is he slipping on my hair? Here, I see.
He's going to poop on you. Oh, I don't know what he's doing now. He's spread himself out.
Oh, he's sunbathing. I can see in the reflection. Look, he's sitting like a normal bird.
He's sitting like a normal bird again.
He's-
Except he's still slipping on your hair.
Look. He's still our baby at heart. Hi.
We're trying to set the damn bird free.
Oh, he's like, I'll clean my beak on
Do
you.
you want to come down and see some ants? Look, I saw ants down here. Do you want to come down here and see some ants? Look. See the ants? Look. No, down. Come here. Yeah, whacking the bird. Look, ants. Look. Look at the ants down there. Look at the ants. We're here. Don't stress. We're here. Go find the ants.
Look, ants. Yum. This has a starlings eat, right? Look, bugs. He's eating your poop, but look at the bugs. There, thank you. I'm stuck with these big ants, thank you. I like them. You're like a dog. Yeah, go to the ants. No, grass. I'm doing everything except what you want me to.
Except finding those damn ants.
Yes, what is that? Trees, of course. No, you see? No trees. He flew onto my head.
Oh, we put him down here because he flew onto Emma. Want him to see the ants, but he's playing with everything except the ants.
He just eat a poo.
I don't think there's a poo. I hope that's not a poo.
No, it was one of the insides of these things that looked like a poo. Yep. You're on top of the ants now. And you're probably regurgitating all that tree bark you just ate. He's like, oh, I'm such a cute bird, aren't I?
You're not supposed to be eating leaves and dirt. You're supposed to be finding the bugs.
Found? No, thank you. They're too small. I want big ones. I'll find you one, okay?
There's loads underneath them.
Oh, like bigger. Here's the place to find them all. They're too dry. Just do this. Ah!
That's it. You almost saw it.
No, back to eating me. Trees are his favorite food, huh? I wonder if he's just playing.
I think he's just learning. He's just learning how to eat and how to do things. He's just learning how to bird.
His brain is still toddler. No.
And see, you'll be coming back in today, won't you?
He's like,
Try again tomorrow,
bouncy
eh?
jelly beans, bouncy jelly beans. He loves us.
Little
about that thing that's hanging over? What do you think?
Oh yeah. Wipe your beak on me, why don't you?
Yeah, put him up to that. No, that was him. Starlings were eating this. Put him up to here.
You're picking my beak.
See if he'll eat the flower there.
That.
They actually stick their beak in the flower, so he's not.
He's like, ew, gotta wipe that off, it's yuck. If you eat flax, you get diarrhea. Don't eat the plant. Eat the flowers. Wrong one.
No, she's like, oh, can I eat that? No.
No, you get stung and you look like a balloon. My hand is really the most delicious thing on this menu, or are you using me as a handkerchief?
Put him down to the ants again. Eat the ants.
Look, took the hand away. Oh, no, I have another one, I forgot. Yeah, dig in the ground, dig in the ground.
No, there's one that's got a bit of pollen on it. See if you got it.
Feed me it. Feed me it if it's mine. Oh, well, you got pollen on you now. You look a bit orange. Yeah, you want it? Nope. I'm playing with it, but okay. Maybe you'll learn it when you're a bit older.
He's sunning himself. He's just eaten 2 centipedes, and now he's sunning himself.
And you just got a slug right here.
Yeah, he doesn't want to seem to eat the slug.
I'll try it one more time.
Baby! What you doing? Are you enjoying the sun?
Here.
Baby, there's an ant on my arm.
Baby, look, right here. Hi, baby. Hi.
It's having a heart attack. Eat it. No, can't eat that. It's having a heart attack.
Whoa.
It'd be yucky.
Whoa.
Testing them out.
Look, you killed the worm. You want it?
Just feed it to me, please. My mouth.
He took it like so smoothly. This is like one of the most playful. This is the coolest bird I've ever seen. It's so playful.
Because he's hand raised.
Ugh, he chopped it.
Hi.
There's 2 worms now.
And he's still not eating them.
Not this
Yeah, they don't like worms. He seems to like those.
It's like, hey, I'm trying to eat that. Can you, like, not? Stop it. I'm trying to eat it. I'm actually trying to eat it.
Wait, Emma, stop. Oh my god.
He's like,
Got it?
He flew up into the tree. We just opened the nest and he flew up into the tree. And now he's sunning himself. And then he came down onto Emma's head like he loves that spot. And now he's sunning himself on her head. Oh, bird that won't leave. Oh, look, he's chasing after you. Oh dear. Yeah, teach him how to be a bird.
trying to find. Oh,
Look at him.
he just ate a fly.
See, put him on the flax. See if he'll drink it.
Ooh. Let's see if he'll eat this. Check this in out, Mom.
You meant to get in there. He might eat.
Yeah. Him.
It's a big
I
rock.
can hear a crunch.
You hear that? It's one of his kind.
Hey, look, it's in between my fingers, buddy. Look. No! I'm trying to get it there.
That's not mine. Got it. Leave it, Nathan, leave it. Yeah, pick things
You took it out of my fingers and you attacked me. Hi! Oh, good! Oh. What is it? Very sad. Oh, he's over there, leave him alone.
Oh, thanks.
Oi.
Big doo-doo on my leg. Yummo, buddy. Yum. He's like, I'm a baby. Feed me. I'm not a dog.
There you go, Dad. Look.
Baby bug's not enough.
Look,
See what he's done on my leg?
Yeah, I'm getting them. They're just not quite soft enough. They're still a bit hard. You're eating unsoft cat biscuits now, so why can't you just eat cat biscuits?
Because they're not wet.
Yeah.
They're not trash.
Yeah, they're just unsoft cat biscuits. They're half soft.
You can't tell the difference. The outside is soft.
Oops, dropped it.
He's got his ears up, Emma. Wait,
It's down to you.
I think he knows that I'm looking for a bug. You want a bug?
What are you doing?
You want a bug?
Doesn't want to be shut in a cage anymore, but he also doesn't want to be
Mom, what is
free.
this? Mom, what is this?
Oh, it's a berry. I don't know if it's a poisonous berry, so preferably
it's-
not.
The berries off that tree because that's why that bird that got inside the other day was purple because it's eating those berries off that tree.
Thank you.
Baby.
Oh.
Wait, baby.
Baby. Baby's gonna be outside overnight. No, you're so cute. He's in the tree.